I filmed this video probably a week ago and I was very conflicted because I lost half of the footage and I know I filmed it all, but I have some clips and I don't have some clips. So I'm just gonna kind of explain to you guys what this video is gonna be about. Basically, I'm trying to get my own place, my own apartment. A lot of stuff has been just happening really quickly and really unexpectedly. I don't even know if that's a word, but my life has done a 360 in the past 2 weeks and a lot of stuff has been happening. Hello. I'm in the middle of filming right now. The PowerPoint video, I'm re-explaining all the footage that I missed. Anywho, I have been looking at this apartment and my dad wanted me to stay here for like a couple months and I was like, no, honey, that's not gonna work. I'm trying to get my ass out. This is not gonna happen. So I made a deal with him. If I make, then he'll let me move out. Well, I did that. You know, I kind of was, looking at the apartments with my mom, getting the ideas of rent and all this stuff with my mom. And then I just kind of put it on my dad, like, hey, I have the money. You can't say anything now. So in this video, I'm basically presenting a proposal to my dad of reasons why I should move out, and I literally made a PowerPoint. I tried to screen record the whole thing. I must have lost some of that footage, but this video is going to be shorter than intended. I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what I'm supposed to do, but my dad was just giving me a really, really hard time about moving out, so I thought, why not make it funny and make a PowerPoint, get his reaction. I thought he would have seen the camera because the camera's right here and my computer is literally like right here, so I thought he was easily gonna see the camera, and he didn't see it at all, and then he was like, don't post it, but he was laughing. He found it hilarious. So stay tuned for the end and I will update you on if I'm moving out or not. This is the second half of the PowerPoint. Where did the first half go? I have no idea what the heck happened to it, so I'm just gonna break this down into a couple seconds of just me preparing it. I have a bestseller here. I cut it off just because then I went into money and I'm not gonna go into that. So here I am just trying to set this all up and you'll see the end result at the end of the video. So just stay tuned, I guess. It's the next day and I am actually currently filling out my application because I have to get it in. I don't think I can get into I think the latest I can get into the apartment, I for sure can get in April 1st. I don't think any sooner. I mean, if I can get in sooner, that's awesome. Another little over a month, which I was hoping to get out soon. So my dad's probably happy about that one. I'm not, but it does give me more money to save up, and I mean, I have enough money, but I can just save up some more extra money for extra furniture, all that stuff. So I need my dad's part to help with this application process, and I tried going upstairs and telling him, and I don't really know how he is. I think he's still a little mad. I don't really know why. I keep trying to tell him the money is there, the money will continue to be there. I keep trying to show him, it's a lot. So I have to get this application in today because these are actually going really quickly. So I'm gonna have him come down here, present to him the presentation. So here's my presentation of reasons why Hannah should move out. Presented by yours truly, Hannah Stone, aka the best daughter ever. Here we go. So I will stop drinking all your water bottles. I heard you the other night complain to mom that I drank all your water bottles. I quoted you right here. You're confused about that. Well, that was me. This is another to Jazzy J. 1, I will have my own space to work. In order to continue making money through social media, having my own space for content creating is a must in order to keep making money. I will stop annoying you. We both know you loved it after I moved out, and it sucks for the both of us that I'm back. It's smiley face. Reasons why I should get that specific apartment. It is in a safe neighborhood, basically its own community. I wouldn't annoy you again. It would be a cool hangout spot in the summer for cookouts and swimming. I will be occupied with all the amenities and you could use them as well. I'll be more driven to work and keep my money coming in, and I will start my own businesses with lashes. Next, this is my bestseller right here. One day I will be rich enough and I will buy you whatever car you want. Haha, that's only if you let me move out.
You don't have to buy me anything.
Here we go. Hi, almost done. Wrote out a list of everything I've been doing. So looking at everything I need for the apartment, planning ahead for money, making sure I have extra money monthly. I'm 20 and can make the money, and I'll stop drinking your waters. Here we have a graph of my lowest goals. So my lowest goal is to make So I'd be making that monthly. This is my rent. This is what I'd have left over, right? Left over for internet, gas, electric, food, insurance, stuff like that. Insurance meaning like car insurance, all that adulting stuff, and adulting things. So this is like lowballing it. So if I make more money monthly, but then I put this into all this, and then I put the rest into savings, and then I put some into stocks and investing for that money to grow. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon at the We'd love to have you. There's my email number, and thanks again.
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
it took a lot of time to do that.
Yeah, you did a good job.
Okay. Thank you. If you made it this far to the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I filmed this video a week ago, so a lot more has changed in that past week. But I am officially moving out. I signed my lease last week. My dad and I, obviously, we made that deal, and I got that goal. So he really couldn't say anything. I can't move in until April 1st, which is like pretty much a month from now, which kind of sucks, but it gives me more time to make more money. So it kind of benefits my dad and I. So I'll be here for then a month and a half total. Even though he wanted me here for like 4+ months, it was just so complicated. But yeah, I'm just so proud of myself. Yesterday I went to buy my couch and my mattress, and I'm just starting to get the big girl things. I have a new video coming out of me making my like headboard. I have a video of me apartment shopping and all this stuff. I'm gonna have a video of like my apartment tour, like moving in day, all that fun stuff. So I'm just so excited for you guys to come along with me on this journey, and thank you guys for watching.